Hello, Disney enthusiasts. It's Michelle with Disney Uncorked, and today we're tackling a spicy topic: why a Disney World vacation may not be right for your family. I know, Disney is the most magical place on earth, but let's be real, it's not for everyone. And the last thing you want is to spend thousands of dollars only to realize you'd rather be anywhere else in the world. So let's break down the top 10 reasons why a Disney World vacation may not be right for your family. Number 10, crowds. Disney is many things: breathtaking, immersive, full of magic, but empty is not one of them. If navigating through packed walkways, standing in long lines, and dodging strollers the size of golf carts sounds like a nightmare, you might want to reconsider. Even on a slow day, Disney can feel busier than the mall on Black Friday. Number 9, the members of your family are not early risers. Unless you enjoy waiting 100+ minutes for the Slinky Dog Dash, waking up early is a must at Disney World. Rope dropping the park gives you a huge advantage, but that seems setting alarms, hustling to transportation, and feeling fully functional before sunrise. If your family prefers to sleep in, you'll miss the best hours of the day and probably regret it when you're sweating in a 90-minute line by noon. Coming in at number 8, you're on a tight budget. Disney Magic comes at a price. Park tickets, hotels, Genie Plus, food, souvenirs, it all adds up fast. While there are ways to do Disney on a budget, it's still one of the most expensive vacations out there. If spending $7 on a bottle of water makes your eye twitch, Disney trip might be more stress than fun. Landing at number 7, if patience isn't your thing, this place is not for you. Even with all the planning in the world, you will wait for things. Rides, food, transportation, there is no escaping it. If standing in line makes your family cranky, or if waiting 20 minutes for a Dole Whip sounds unbearable, this might not be the right trip for you. Number 6, you want a relaxing vacation. Some people go on vacation to unwind. Disney World is not that kind of vacation. It's go, go, go from morning to night, averaging 10+ miles of walking a day. If your dream trip involves lounging by the pool with a cocktail in hand, you might find Disney World more exhausting than exciting. Halfway through our list at number 5, your vacation dream is about food. Disney has some fantastic food, but at the end of the day, it's still theme park dining. Lots of burgers, fries, chicken nuggets, unless you're willing to hunt for better options. If your family turns up their nose at quick service meals or hates eating on the go, you might struggle to enjoy Disney World dining. Number 4, you don't want to plan. Gone are the days when you could just show up and have a carefree Disney day. Now you need reservations, Genie Plus, strategies, and a general game plan if you want to maximize your time. If planning stresses you out or your family prefers a let's just wing it approach, Disney might not be a great fit. Number 3, your kid's age matters. Bringing a toddler to Disney World, be prepared for stroller naps, meltdowns, and a child who may be too little to remember any of it anyway. On the flip side, if your kids are older and not into Disney movies, they might see the whole thing as an overpriced kiddie park. Finding the right age for a Disney trip is key. Number 2, your family doesn't even like Disney. This one seems obvious, but if your family doesn't actually love Disney movies, characters, or theme parks, this trip might not be worth it. Sure, you can still enjoy the rides and atmosphere, but if nobody cares about Mickey or Star Wars, there are probably better vacation options for your family. Landing at number 1, be prepared for chaos. At the end of the day, Disney World is a whirlwind of fun, excitement, and yes, chaos. It's a place where magic and madness exist in equal measure. If your family thrives in structure and calm, a week in the parks might feel more stressful than joyful, and that's okay. So, what did you think? Is Disney World right for your family, or are you rethinking your trip? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Disney Uncorked. Until next time, enthusiast, ciao!